In front of me is MEIZU M5S, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, reach build number and tap on it 7 times. Actually, I am already a developer, but still, if you are not, just tap on it 7 times and then they will be unlocked. From now on, you can find them under Accessibility, go a bit lower, tap on Developer Options, unlock them, and here you've got everything. So this is it. Whenever you'd like to switch them off smoothly, use this first top switcher. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.